Where is he?
He's in front of the car.
Well,
He's not afraid.
no, he won't get away from the damn car.
He's right in front of the car.
Well, make a move over here.
Why don't you?
And then you got to get back in so we can go. Where is he? Well, get back in. Here he comes. Hurry up.
I don't know what he's doing. He must be some
Watch.
pet.
Watch. Oh, here he goes. He's trying to run in front of it.
He doesn't want me to go.
What the hell? You're nuts.
I've never seen anything like that. He must be tame. That's all there is to it.
Watch, I'll get back in the car now.
He'll follow you. He's gonna get in the car. Oh my god. Look at, as soon as he sees you get in the car.
What are you doing, Goofy?
That's funny. Oh my gosh. Look at him.
Come on, get in. Watch, he'll take off.
I want to your side.
Come on, let's go. Oh, you idiot.
I'm trying to right in front of the car.
Kidding
What the hell? Oh my god. There he is on my side. Look at him.
What are you doing, Goofy? Why won't you let us go?
He won't let us drive away.
You can run fast, too.
He won't let us drive off. He keeps running. That's insane.
Watch. Here he goes.
Here he goes. He knows you're getting back to the car.
Oh, shit.
He's going right in front of the car. Wait. Oh. What is going on with that bird? Like he's running down the road after us.
Oh, here he comes.
Someone bleeding out here or something?
I don't know.
What's wrong here?
Oh, there he goes. That's the race, man.